Hey guys, welcome to my video. Here I will try to demo my final version of the prototype. My topic for this project is the iMessage app, namely to redesign the search feature for this app. Sorry, the cat is right behind the laptop. So the inspiration behind this project was due to the fact that at the time it was really hard to search for certain things such as strings or photos or files when you're in a conversation with someone or a group chat. So how you would search would be to go to the main screen, which has your listing of chats with other people or other groups, and you would use the search bar to search for whatever, and then the results would be pages long if you're involved in any long conversations. So then I wanted to redesign this, and as you can see, when you click on a certain chat, it shows your regular chat history with this person, Sam. And then I have here two implementation of my chat ideas. So the search, and then this one has more filters, so to speak. And for the voice, people were actually liking the idea of also implementing the voice idea into this chat function. So here I have a bunch of filters within this specific chat, which I wanted, right? Now, for example, if I wanted to search and pretend that I have a really long conversation with Sam. We've been talking about OpenAI and AI ethics and everything else. And I wanted to go back to reference certain things that we discussed. And I don't want to scroll because, I have no idea when was the last time that this was referred to or spoken. So then I would have to go to this, click on text, and what I can do is search for a certain string. For example, if I wanted to ask him, hey, any breakthroughs thus far, so I can search for any strings. And you don't need to have any complete words or strings in order to search. For example, if you just wanted to search for break, it's gonna search for all instances of break within this chat. And so let's try that. And as you can see, this screen is now filtering only this result, from this time. And I can see that this is only for me because that's the only instance. But imagine, right, you have more chats, then it would populate more. So maybe I can clear this and see. Let's say I want to filter messages from Sam himself, then it's going to click Sam, or any instances of myself referring to him. So as you can see here, these are all from Sam and it's from me. So that's it for text. We also have a filter for date, which would allow you to select whichever time period, for example, and it would also populate the search results like that. Unfortunately, this does not work at the moment, so I'm gonna have to skip to the other ones. The photos and videos as well as audio documents. They have similar ideas. Photos, you have your JPEG, PNG, videos, MP4, audio, MP3 documents. You can have text, you can have anything like PDF or even code. So as of the moment, these don't exactly work, so I'm gonna have to skip on those. And so for example, if you want to search using voice, you can just click on this mic here and you would speak and then it would search. Of course, this is very simple, but this was one of the most highly requested features to also implement in conjunction with this here. So I also included that. There's more demos for other people, very famous scientists and engineers. So let's see what else we can talk about. Yeah, so according to the stats here, I have that it says close to 56% of people were liking this idea. The dynamic filtering, where you have a bunch of filters to choose from, and about 22% of the people actually wanted to combine this one as well as the voice search, which is really good because when you're on the go, or if you're not able to use your hands, for example, if you're cooking, baking, if you're in the backyard, and practically anything, right? And you want to search for someone's text, videos, or anything else, you can use your voice. Similar to Hey Siri, but very specific to this one. And the other stats here that I have is about close to 78% of the people who participated in my survey wanted this voice search to be integrated to the dynamic filtering. So that's why I included that. People actually didn't like my idea number one, the autocomplete feature, because they were skeptical of I guess big AI listening to their conversations, and then there's things that had to do with privacy issues, and so therefore I decided not to include that in there. So hopefully this is a good enough demo for this project. I wish I could have spent more time, but this is the best I could do. And yeah, see you guys later.